Hey, Jonas Troyer here at Troyer Websites, and in this video I want to show you how I record my videos on my desktop or on my computer. Actually, I do the same thing on my laptop. So numerous people have asked me what kind of program do you use to record your videos? Are you using Zoom? Are you using something else? Now, I've done a few with Zoom, but I personally do not prefer that one. I've thought the audio quality is probably not as great on Zoom as it is on the one that I'm using. So let me show you what I use. Now, I'm not saying this is the best or the only way to do it. I'm just saying this is what I use and I love it. Works great for me. So, and also I'll show you which, got my pop-up here. Which editing software that I use to edit my videos. So the recorder I use is called the Ice Cream Screen Recorder. Okay, it is free to download and install, but there's a pro version. Basically, it allows you to take a screenshot of anything on your desktop, your computer that you want. You can do your entire screen, or you can do a custom area, small area, whatever you want. I use it all the time for that. But as far as recording videos, you can record videos up to 15 minutes long with the free version. Okay, so if you want to do longer videos, you have to upgrade to the pro version. And honestly, I'm not sure how much I paid. I got the pro version. It looks like it's $29.95, so basically 30 bucks, and that's a one-time fee. They changed the limit. It used to be 15 minutes, now it's 5 minutes, okay? So the free version lets you do 5-minute videos, and the pro version also, free version only has one video format. Pro version has 4 different formats. I believe I do usually MP4, I don't remember. I set it up one time. And I have the pro version. I paid that one-time fee, and boom, I'm good to go. So it's not expensive, but if you want to just try it out, try the free version. Record up to 5-minute videos, and this, again, when you're recording videos, you can record your entire desktop screen, okay, or just a certain area, and you can do it with your camera on, like I have it on here. This is what I'm actually using to record this video. Or you can do it without your camera and just use audio over top of, let's say you're doing a slideshow or something of that nature. You basically would just, basically everything is working here. And then if I want to stop recording, I just click one of this, or there's a keyboard shortcut as well to stop recording. So pretty awesome. Now, sometimes when I record videos here in my office / studio, over at the other end here, I have a green screen and lighting and things like that I use to record some videos sometimes. Usually I just use my iPhone to record the videos, takes great quality videos. You can also use a camera if you have a good camera. But then I upload that video, not upload, but I get that video onto my computer. If I'm using my iPhone, I will basically just take my charger cord from my iPhone, plug the USB end into the computer, open it up to where I can get my pictures and videos, and basically drag the video I want onto my desktop. That's what I do. It's very, very easy to do. Let me plug this in again. And then once the video is on my desktop, I will use a program called Wondershare Filmora. Now this is what I use. There's a free version of this as well. I have the pro version. Free download for Windows or for Mac. And if you click buy now, there's a lifetime one-time cost of $60 to get you all the, there's a watermark on this one, or this one has no watermark. If you want to do professional videos, you probably don't want a watermark on it. So basically they're allowed to advertise on here if you have the free version. Otherwise, I think everything works, but you have no support and you have a watermark on it. If you go Pro, no watermark, free support. And then here, if you want to go annually, it really doesn't make sense in my opinion. But yeah, $60 one time, and you have the video editing software that I use. I absolutely love it. Let me actually, I should have opened it up. I'll open it up. It gives me a desktop app here. I'll open it up and show you a little bit how it works or how it looks. So it usually takes a minute to start up, and then it'll ask you, I think it usually asks what type of video you want to do, full video or a, here we go, it's loading. Of course, when I'm recording a video, always slows down my computer a little bit. That's one thing. If you are recording a video, whether it's with Zoom or with Ice Cream, it always seems to slow down your computer. So keep that in mind. Here, creating new movie. Yeah, we're doing a movie. Full feature mode, easy mode, instant cutter, whatever. Generally, you want 16:9 widescreen for a regular video, and full feature mode. That's what I do. If you're doing a regular video anyway. So we'll let this open up. This is how the editor looks. I'm gonna get this pop up with, oh, there's a new update. Not now. Remind me later. All right. So here's import. You basically import your media files, whether that's a picture or a video or whatever. I'll show you here in a sec. Here is one that I already have imported that I recorded with the green screen. So let me just add, let me right click on it. Apply to PIP, actually is what I want. We're going to delete this. Okay. Right click and apply to PIP. If you don't do that, you can't do the green screen, okay? So now it shows over here, but notice I have the green background. So I come down here and I right click on it and I click on green screen. And notice here it says chroma key, green screen, make parts of the clip transparent, and boom, hit OK. And now the transparency is there instead of the green, okay? So definitely if you get a green screen, you can use any color that you want. Just make sure that you're not wearing anything that matches the color of your background, the color of your screen, okay? If I was wearing a green shirt, it would actually make that transparent as well. Would look weird with only my hands and my face visible. That would be weird. So make sure you're not wearing green if your background is green. Or you can use any other color, just don't wear that color. All right, now I'm not seeing it loaded in here, but basically what I would do is I would import. Let me just import a picture. I don't know. Generally, I would find a white picture. See if I find one here. No idea where it got to. I probably erased it. So let me just do this Vegas picture. So now it'll upload this picture. I could have used that one too. So now add to project. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this over, take the picture, and I'm going to drag it over to as far as so that they're both on the same whatever. Now notice how this picture doesn't go out to the edge, right? So we're going to right click on the picture and hang on. There we go. Crop and zoom. And we're going to make this 16:9. We're going to move it to wherever we want it on the image. Let's say like that. Here's how it's going to look. Here's how the cropping is working. We're going to cut it. And now it's going to look like. Use them all the time. I am speaking, and they never bring myself. Obviously, you would not do this normally with you'd use whatever background you want, but that's how you do it. You can add another video behind that one, in front of that one. You can cut this one, split it. Where's my split? Right there. Now we could, you know, delete this part, and the video would stop right there. You know, you got all kinds of control, exactly what you want to do with this editing software. There's filters, overlays, elements, split screen, whatnot, text. You can add text, you can add music, whatever you want. Once you're done, once you have it the way you want it, you can obviously play it here, and you see exactly what you got. You hit export. Oh, gotta log in. For some reason it's not logged in right now. But export, and you basically tell it to export it in the MP4 files, file format, and what resolution you want. You want it good, better, or best resolution as far as quality. And once you have that all set, it'll convert it. First thing it'll do is it'll convert it, and then it'll export it to whatever folder or file on your computer you told it to go. You can also export it and upload it directly to your YouTube channel, but that seems to be a little bit glitchy sometimes, so generally I'll export it to my computer and then upload it to YouTube after that, just separately. So that's it. That's what I use to record my videos and edit my videos on my desktop. Obviously, I sometimes just record videos and edit them with my phone, upload them to YouTube from there. But if I use my computer, if I'm recording a slideshow, presentation, whatever, tutorial, well, I do a lot of tutorials, as you guys probably know, that is what I use. So thanks for watching. You should be able to find the links down below for both of these programs, and they're not affiliate products that I'm aware of, so I'm just going to share the links in here. If you're seeing this on YouTube, it'll be in the description below. If this is on my blog, you'll see it down below somewhere or above, and we'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching.